Want an AI partner that actually feels unique? OurdreamAI's character creator is one of its strongest features. Today we're breaking down how to make the most of it. You can pick everything: appearance, personality, backstory, quirks, and mood. Want a bold, sarcastic AI or shy and playful? You can combine traits to make your partner feel exactly how you imagine. The AI remembers key details, so conversations feel continuous and natural. The free version already gives plenty of options, but clicking the link in the description unlocks extra perks: longer chats, advanced personality traits, and smoother AI responses. That makes building the perfect partner even easier. Tips: experiment with unusual combinations: shy but witty, bold but caring, and notice how the AI adapts. Add small quirks or hobbies and it will remember them later, making your chats feel even more personal. The positives: high customization, adaptive AI, and a clean interface. The downsides: some advanced options are paid and long conversations can occasionally make the AI drift slightly. If you want to build your AI partner exactly how you want, click the link in the description and start creating today.